Hello and welcome to our channel, Edisam Educators channel. So this is Samuel Anekan, popularly known as Edisam. Welcome you to this rudiments of and theory of music lesson. So in this lesson, we'll be looking at the bass staff and the names of lines and spaces. So we'll be looking at the bass staff and the names of the lines and spaces of the bass staff. In the previous lesson, we had already looked at the treble staff. So in case you've mixed our previous lesson or you're confused, you can go back and look at our previous lesson. So we're going to move ahead. So this is the bass clef. When you have the bass clef on a staff is made of 5 lines, 4 spaces. Line 1, line 2, line 3, line 4, line 5. Space 1, space 2, space 3, space 4. So when you have this bass clef on a staff, it gives you the bass staff or the bass stave. Okay, so these are the letter names of the lines and spaces of the bass staff. So we have G, the first line is G, first space is A, second line is B, second space is C, third line is D, third space is E, fourth line is F, fourth space is G, and the last and fifth line is A. So these are the letter names of the lines and spaces of the bass staff. So now we've extracted just the names of the lines here, and over here we've extracted the space, the letter names, alphabet names of the space. Over here we've done that for the lines. So for the lines we have G, B, D, F, A. For the space we have A, C, E, G. Okay, now you will need to master the names of the lines and spaces for a lot of reasons. If you're going to be playing an instrument, if you're going to be sight singing, sight reading, you need to know the names of these lines and spaces. How is that going to be easy? So some formulas have actually been developed for that. Since for the lines, we have G, B, D, F, A. So we can represent G with good, B with boys, D with deserve, F with food, and A with always. So the lines we can use good boys, deserve, food, always, or good boys, deserve, favor, always. So once you remember good boys deserve favor, always, you remember that the first line is G, the boys is B for the second line, and the third line is D for deserve. The fourth line is food for F, letter F, or favor. Then the last line, the fifth line is A, which is always. So good boys deserve food, favor, always. Anyone, either food or favor, or you can go ahead and make your own. If you choose to do your own, you can do your own. Okay, so for the space is A, space 1 is A, space 2 is C, space 3 is E, and space 4, the fourth and last space is G. So we have all cows eat grass. All cows eat grass. Space 1 is A, all. Space 2 is C, cows. Space 3 is E, eat. And space 4, the last space is G, grass. All cows eat grass. So with these formulas, you can actually remember the names of lines and spaces easily without any trouble. Okay, so we can also use for the lines, good boys does fine always. So it's just a choice. You can come up with anyone you feel is going to be easy for you to remember. So with this, we've come to the end of our lesson for the bass staff, the letter names of the bass staffs. So watch out for our next lesson. And in case you've missed our previous lesson, go back to them. Okay. So this lesson is actually for musicians, choristers, instrumentalists, or those who want to actually know the theoretical knowledge behind the music they actually either sing or play. So we've come to the end, like I said. Thank you for watching. So go ahead and subscribe to the channel if you're not subscribed yet, and like the video. If you have a comment, you can drop it in the comment section and also share with others as well. So you can also connect with me via my social media handles. My social media handles, this is my WhatsApp number, while this is my Instagram user account name, Edisam for real. So you can always connect with me. And if you have any question, like I said, feel free to drop your question. So thank you and bye. We're going to meet in the next lesson.